Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 41 years. I am a national expert, and what I tell you is the absolute truth. There's a lot of people on YouTube trying to tell you this and trying to tell you that, and a lot of them, they're really salesmen talking to you, or they've worked a number of cases. I've worked thousands of cases, and I try to tell you what's happening behind the scenes at IRS, and very few people really can do that. So whatever I tell you is actually gold to you. So I've been on the national news. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. Go to my website and you can learn about me as much as you want. Just want to go ahead and tell you today that if you get the 504 notice, CP504, what do you need to know? What is that notice? It's the IRS final notice of intent to levy or seize. IRS just sent out about 2 million of these letters. They just pounded them all. They didn't even tell the professionals they were going to send them. Usually we get a warning, boom, all these go out, boom, all these go out certified. And now you're looking, say, man, I haven't heard from IRS in God, a year and a half. Now all of a sudden I have a notice of intent to levy. What's the first thing that you need to know? The first thing you need to know is it's a time-sensitive letter. It doesn't make any difference when you receive the letter. It only makes a difference what's the date on the letter, because IRS will follow up from that date. Many people say, well, I got it 2 weeks later. It doesn't make any difference. The date of that letter drives everything. Right after that, you're going to get the 1058, and after that, the guns of Navajo are going to come out on you fully. IRS is going to take full enforcement action. When you get that 504 notice, IRS can, if they want, actually levy you. They can file a federal tax lien. They can garnish your wages. Many times they really wait to the 1058 letter, which is going to be usually 30 days or 6 weeks after that. You need to have an exit strategy with IRS. What's that? It's, well, how are you going to really take care of the IRS tax debt? That's all what IRS wants. When you get this letter, if you call IRS, the IRS number on there, you're going to stop the IRS collection machine. However, big however, you better know what's going to happen when they pick up that phone. If you don't, you're going to get screwed. IRS is going to take a financial statement, a 433F. You can download it, look at yourself. You can look at it yourself. IRS is either going to put you into a payment agreement, or they will put you into a currently non-collectible. If you don't know what the national standard program is and how they're going to apply their expenses that they allow to your financial statement, it's going to be a big wake-up call. So anyway, if you need me, go ahead and contact me. I answer my phones directly. Make sure you know it's a time-sensitive letter. If you don't, in probably another couple months, you're going to get a federal tax lien. You may get a garnishment, or you may get a bank levy. You do not want that to happen. This is the time to act. You can't keep your head in the sand. Anyway, like I said, call me. Give me a subscription if you would. I try to give you everything you need to know from the IRS side when I can do that on certain subject matters. Do what I say. Make sure you're addressing this 504. Thank you for listening. Give me a subscription.